Hey guys, this is a planet called Earth. On it, there are numerous hairy idiots that can grow to enormous widths. This is due to a serious health crisis called McDonald's that this species has been unsuccessfully battling for the last 65 years. I, fortunately, do not have to battle this terrible crisis. I live my life peacefully. Oh look, a hairy idiot. Let's go inside. See, once inside, it's very peaceful and lovely. There's lots of juicy food in here. Yum yum. Yum yum. It would be better when cooked though, and maybe seasoned a little. But still, better than McDonald's for sure. The hairy idiot died. Weak ass motherfuckers, I tell you. Oh wait, there's another one right over there.